We live in a world where platform plays a prime role. Let us say you need to order food, buy groceries, or even electronics. What do? Take out a phone, just 2 clicks, you're done. What if we bring the same technology for our product design? Think about the level of collaboration, ease of use, the 3D experience will bring to your work life. Let us see how Beacon Drones uses 3D experience in their workflow.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Girish. I'm working as a manager in Beacon Drones. And 3D Experience actually gives me the flexibility to open my platform using any device, any place. And the best part is, according to my role, 3D Experience gives me a custom set of applications that I can use extensively. So I usually start my day off by logging into the platform. The platform greets me with my personalized dashboard where I have placed widgets of apps that I use a lot throughout the day. Currently, we are in the process of building a drone, and my designers have made a shortcut of the top level assembly for me in my bookmark app. We are going to drag and drop it in my 3D Play app, which gives me the flexibility to visualize the entire model. In the second tab of my dashboard, we have the community app, which captures all the conversation, ideas, posts from my team members in a structured format. I see I have a new idea submitted from my analysis team members. Looks like he has validated the designs and used the 3D markup app to inform us that we can further reduce the weight of the model and also make the top part more streamlined. We'll start with going to the task management tab in my dashboard and create a task. I'll give the required title, the description, and also mention the time within which it has to be finished and use any files as an attachment. I am assigning this task to Dhanush and Madhu with a comment. The task management is a cool application to understand the requirement that is needed. And as the task is assigned to Dhanush, he will get a notification. So let's go to Dhanush and see how he is going to make design changes using the 3D experience.
Hi everyone, Dhanush here. I'm working as the design engineer at Beacon Drones. I usually take up and build most of the designs using SOLIDWORKS. The 3D Experience platform is built directly into SOLIDWORKS user interface. I see I got a notification. Reading this and looking at the community post, I understand I need to make changes to the drone legs to make it lighter. Let me first change the maturity state from to do to in work. I am directly dragging and dropping the attachment into the SOLIDWORKS environment. Before making changes to the model, let me reserve the files required so that nobody else make changes to it. To reduce the weight of the legs, I am going to shell the part. While I am working and making the changes to the model, let's take a look at my colleague Madhu, who is making use of XApps to create a streamlined design for the top cover.
Hi everyone, I'm Madhu. My role requires me to visit clients often and make design changes on the fly. The way 3D Experience helps me to do this is by giving me a set of applications that work without any high-end hardware requirements or software installations and allow me to design directly on the browser. I have got a notification from my manager to streamline the top cover. I will now open XShape, which is a sub-D modeling application that allows me to create organic shapes. We will insert a concept sketch that represents how the top cover should look, and I am inserting a primitive shape as well. I am going to push and pull surfaces to match the concept sketch. Once the design is done, we are adding the thickness to the shape and we will switch to the XDesign. So in the XDesign application, I am going to add some cutouts for the better ventilation for the top cover. Now that the design is done, let me update Dhanush by adding a comment and update the assembly with the new top cover.
While I was reducing the weight of the model, I can see that Madhu has asked me to update my design. Now that I have updated it, I am going to save it to the platform, bump the revision and change the maturity state of the files to frozen. I am also going to change the task maturity state from in work to completed, which will notify the manager.
Hi everyone, Girish here. And looking at my platform, I can see I have received a notification from Dhanush and Madhu, and they have completed the entire task that I have assigned to them. I can preview the changes they have made to the model from the deliverables section. I can see Dhanush has put the files in the frozen state, so I am just going to change the maturity of the designs to released and write a comment back in my community with a few snaps and changing the status of the idea from concept to implementation. In summary, I think we would all agree that the future of business is collaborative. With the 3D experience, you can now connect the right people with real-time information and the right tools on one unified platform to make better decisions faster.